Hey guys, my name is Suraj, and this is the introductory lecture, or you can say introductory video as to the programming challenges which I have uploaded in Google Drive, and the link is in the description below. So I just wanted to tell you about the programming challenges as well as the videos I'm going to be uploading after, or the commencing videos you're going to look at. So these are some basic challenges. Right now it just has 10 programming challenges in the file, and they get harder as you progress along. So the videos which I'm going to be uploading is about showing you the answers as to how it's done, or the approach, how you should be doing these tasks. However, I would recommend everyone to first go to the link, try at least, or try doing the programming challenges, and then coming to the video as to again look how it's done and the approach. Thank you.